Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove photo background within 30 seconds. If you have a given photo and you want to edit it by removing a photo background, this video is helpful for you. Without wasting time, let's get started. Remember to subscribe to the channel TV, like this video, turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when I upload a new video here at Max TV. As you can see, I have my browser. What I have to do to remove photo background, I first need to ensure that I have my photo. After that, I have to come in my browser and type remove photo background. You can type remove background image. Once you type remove background image, you're going to see this platform, remove.begin or remove.background. Once you click on this platform, you're going to open it. After opening this platform, you want to be seeing the option to edit or remove background from your image. You can see remove image background. This is 100% automatically and free. Now you have to click on this option and upload your image. You can either drop a file or paste image link or URL. Let me click on it and upload my image. After clicking on it, you can see I have my image here on my desktop that I want to remove background from. I have to click on it, then open it. After opening it, you can see it is now uploading. So after uploading, you can see this is my image. If you can see, you could see how it was originally. You can see now it has already changed and also background has been removed. Now it gives you different options. You can either decide to download it immediately. You can decide to restore it. If you decide to restore it, for instance, that is where it is going to be bringing also its original part. I can also restore it. Let me click on restore it. When I click on restore it, you can see it also bring its original state. Let's also reset it. This is the same way. Also, if you reset it, you're going to be bringing its original file. This also removed background image. Also, you have different features. You can either create or design it with Canva, as they have added this section here. You can also choose to use different effects. For instance, this is a blur amount. You have to choose how you want to be adding blur to it. You see? You can see. So you can turn it off. Now also you can be deciding to use different features. For instance, this is a background. You can see it is all showing originally. Now once you are done, what you need to do is to ensure that you download your image. As you can see, I have already restored the image and it has become to a new background. So now let's see, choose this one. If I click on this one, it is going to be bringing its original. It's now, you can see my background will be changing from that one to this one. You can either choose photo to be different, showing these colors, or to be on these the following colors as background. Also, you can choose different photos. Here you can see their colors, their photos. It all depends on what you want to be adding. As you can see in my background, that is what it is showing, and it has changed to that. So after doing all this one and seeing that my photo is already changed and is on my background that I wish, I have to either download it or download HD. Go to quality up to 0.25 megapixels. Add this one best quality up to 50 megapixels. Let me download this one, and also let me download this one if you need it. So as you can see, if you want to be downloading HD file, they are going to be requesting you to sign up for it. You have to ensure that you sign up for it so that you can be having access to these features for downloading also great quality. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, remember to leave it in the comment section. Remember to like this video, share this video to your friends. Also remember to turn off the bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Normax TV.